just be crazy enough to get us all killed. I like it. Move up. We should attack while we still have the drop on it. It doesn't seem too tough. Wahoo!
Screw this!
He's right. Back inside. This was your idea.
It looks like the T-Rex is too big to fit in.
Okay, as long as we stay here, we'll be fine.
This thing is relentless.
Everyone, don't move. It can't see us if we stay still. Well, in theory, anyway.
Your theory, Shockwave?
Come back, you fools! Protect me! Don't abandon your comrades! Only I may do that! Shockwave?
Incredible.